Canada may be known for its friendly locals, scenic landscapes, and maple syrup, but it also has its share of ghost stories and haunted locations. Below are 5 such places that intrigue both skeptics and believers with their eerie histories and unexplained phenomena. 1. Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel, Alberta. The castle-like Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel is not just a luxurious getaway. It's also home to numerous spirits, including a bride who allegedly fell down the staircase and broke her neck. Guests and staff have reported seeing her ghostly figure, complete with a flowing wedding dress, wandering the halls. Another apparition, that of Sam the bellman who worked at the hotel until 1975, is said to still assist guests, despite having passed away years ago. With its rich history dating back to 1888, the hotel has had ample time to accumulate otherworldly residents. The grandeur of the building itself seems to echo with the memories of its past, creating a prime setting for spectral activity. 2. Craigdarroch Castle, British Columbia. Located in Victoria, Craigdarroch Castle is famous for its lavish Victorian-era architecture. It's said to be haunted by its original owner, Robert Dunsmuir, among others. Visitors often report strange occurrences such as the piano playing by itself. Dunsmuir died before the castle was completed, and the estate has a complex history of family drama and fortune, a perfect storm for lingering spirits. 3. Fort Garry Hotel, Manitoba. This Winnipeg establishment has room 202, a spot famous for its haunting activities including sightings of a woman in a robe crying at the end of the bed. The story goes that a woman committed suicide in this room after learning of her husband's death. The tragedy that unfolded in room 202 and the hotel's long history, built in 1913, seem to offer a conduit for supernatural occurrences. 4. Plains of Abraham, Quebec. The site of a pivotal battle between the French and British in 1759, the Plains of Abraham are now a serene park. However, many visitors have reported seeing ghostly soldiers wandering the area, perhaps souls of those who died during the conflict. Battlefields are often considered to be hot spots for paranormal activity due to the intense energy and emotions experienced there, and the Plains of Abraham are no exception. 5. The Maritime Museum of British Columbia, Victoria. This museum is said to be haunted by the ghost of Sir Matthew Bailey Begbie, a judge known for his severe sentences. People claim to have felt cold spots and heard footsteps when no one else is around. The museum was previously a courthouse and jail where Begbie presided, a setting ripe for residual emotional energy that could manifest as paranormal activity. These Canadian locations offer more than just natural beauty and historical significance. They provide a tantalizing glimpse into the unexplained, inviting you to question the boundary between our world and the one that lies beyond.